International Research Journal of a Pharmacy, a case discussion on eczema, written by Dr. Jyoti Megdambar, Dr. Ujjwala Pawar, Dr. Sushma Kuware, and Dr. Sheetal Pawar. They are the associate professor in the department of the Rog Nidan, Ayurved, Government Ayurved College, Nanded. Abstract: eczema or atopic dermatitis is an chronic skin disease characterized by the itchy erythematous vesicular and the weeping and the crusting patches. The prevalence from the different studies ranging from 2.4% to 6% all over the India. The symptoms found are redness, skin swelling, itching, dryness, crusting, flaking, blisters, cracking, oozing or the bleeding. Eczema can be equated with the Vicharchika explained by the Acharya Sushruta, which is having a predominant symptom as a severe itching, while all other symptoms include dryness, pain and rashes. Patient came to us with a severe itching, dryness and the discoloration at the left leg, medial of a thigh and the posterior to the knee joint and a lower abdomen. The management by the modern medicine aims to control the symptom by reducing the inflammation and relieving the itching. In Ayurveda, Shodhan therapy was an already been established to overcome the Vahated dosha, so the Virechana and the Rakta Mokshana karma were selected for the present case. The result replicated the original study and show substantial improvement in the patient, which was cosmetically benefited him a lot. Virechana and Rakta Mokshana karma has been a given efficient result in the patient. Then introduction. Atopic dermatitis or an eczema is a chronic and the chronically relapsing hypersensitive manifestation of the skin with the itching as a predominant feature. It is a term for a group of a medical condition that cause a skin to be become inflamed or irritated. Eczema is characterized by the itchy erythematous vesicular weeping and the crusting patches. The term eczema is broadly applied to a range of persistent skin condition. These include a dryness and the recurring of skin rashes that are characterized by one or more of the symptoms, that is a redness, skin swelling, itching, dryness and the crusting and flaking and blister, cracking, oozing, bleeding. The cause of eczema are unknown but is presumed to be a combination of a genetic and the environmental factor. The hygiene hypothesis postulated that cause of asthma, eczema and other allergic disease is unusually clean environment. It stated that exposure to a bacteria and other immune system modulator is an important during the development. The diagnosis of eczema is based mostly on the history and the physical examination. However, uh, a patch test are used in the diagnosis of the allergic dermatitis. Some flare up may worsen the condition like a stress, sudden temperature changes, sweating, overheating, scratching, clothing materials, harsh detergent, soap and solvent. Gradual increasing in the prevalence of AD has been observed recently. It can be ascribed to the environmental changes to the rapid development all over the world. The upward trend is also true in the Indian context in the last 4 decades, as the prevalence from the different study ranges from 2.4% to a 6% all over India and changes with the different part of the country. The patient who doesn't respond to a medicine are advised for the phototherapy. Eczema can be equated with the Vicharchika explained by the Acharya Sushruta, which is having a predominant symptom as a severe itching, while other symptoms including a dryness, pain, rash. Vicharchika is the disease caused by the Vahated Pitta dosha. Virechan is the mediated purgative therapy. It is the elimination process of the Vahated Pitta dosha and a purification of a blood toxin from the body. Hence, Virechan karma is selected for the present case along with the Rakta Moksha karma to the next. The case report: patient name XYZ, gender male, age 55, built medium. Chief complaint: severe itching, dryness, discoloration at the left leg, medial of a thigh, posterior to the knee joint and the lower abdomen. All above the complaint were since 1 year. Past history: patient is a known case of asthma since 2 years. On examination, blackish discoloration, dryness of the affected part. Other systematic finding were within the normal limit. Diagnosis, eczema or the Vichurchika. Then these are the principle of a treatment procedure. In the first procedure, Deepan Pachan Aushadhi appetizer, then Snehapan medicated gain, then Sarvanga Abhyanga whole body massage and Sarvanga Svedan, then Virechana and then Samsarjan Karma. For the Deepan Pachana, we use the Trifala Churna, Musta Churna, Snehapan, Panchadikta Grutta morning at 7 am. Day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4 and day 5 they are in increasing order. Then for Sarvanga Abhyanga Tirtel for the day 6, 7 and 8 for the 3 days. Then Virechana Yoga was given in the morning at 7 am on the 8th day. Duration 1 day. And Samsarjan Karma rice gruel or rice gruel plus rice porridge on the glass on day 8 in the evening, day 9 and 10. Then Virechana Yoga included a Trifala Haritaki Churna decoction 60 ml, Aragvadadi Kapilavati 2 tablet 250 milligram plus castor oil 20 ml, followed by a Krishna Draksh as a Anupan. Assessment criteria: Kandu, Vaivarnya, Srava, Vedana, Pidaka and Ruksha. Their parameters are based on the gradation. Then observation in the present case, these all are discussion. The classical text described Virechana and the Rakta Mokshan are the best therapy for the Vayatida Pitta dosha. It evacuates all the morbid dosha from the micro to the macro dhatu channel, regulate Vata, thus decreasing all the symptom of a Vata Pitta Kapha on the Strutas level. Deepana Pachana Karma is a mandatory and the special procedure before the Snehapan, as Sneha has spread all over the body in order to bearing the dosha back from the Shakha to the Koshta. Mode of action: Virechana is a mediated purgative therapy that acts as a cleansing of a Pitta dosha and purifier of the blood toxin from the body that are accumulated in the liver and the gallbladder. Gastrointestinal tract is completely cleaned by this process. According to Ayurveda, all the skin diseases are considered under the title of Kushtanda Virechana is especially indicated in this disease. In a Virechana Karma, the medicine is administered to the patient orally. After the complete digestion of the given medicine, the action starts. The active ingredient of the given medicine stimulate the mucosal membrane and changes in the normal permeability of a mucosal lining temporarily due to the excudation of morbid impurities which are transferred from the cellular level to the help of Snehana and Svedana Karma are expelled out through the anal route. Hence, in the present case, the Vayatida Pitta dosha is evacuated and the normal level of a dosha is achieved. Rakta Mokshan is an effective and safe remedy for the Vichurchika. As a major reason for a Vichurchika is a Rakta Dushti, Sushruta Samhita has given a detailed practical guideline for the bloodletting, which is considered as a half treatment, that is Ardha Chikitsa. Jalaukacharan leech therapy is an ancient and famous modality of a Rakta Mokshana which can be used in a delicate person and having a Pitta Ghana property. It can also a choice of a treatment where doshas are deep seated in the disease of the pathogenesis. Virechana and Rakta Mokshana Karma has given a very effective result in the patient. He was admitted for a total 31 days and all symptoms that were disturbing his daily routine were relieved. The result replicate the original study and show a substantial improvement. These are the figure of before this first figure before, these are the before treatment and after treatment. See how it is. Before treatment, Vichurchika, dryness and itching, all these are symptoms, and after treatment they all are reduced. Then last one, references. Thank you.